Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing fine and taking care of your family and your friends. Just keep studying well. And one thing I wanted to tell you is that I keep searching for study material which is for free because many aspirants are not able to buy the paid courses. So, whenever I came across any free study material, I tried to update it to you all. Okay, so today I came across some ebooks which are on Oliveboard. So recently two ebooks are launched, and the first ebook is grammar ebook, in which it consists 20 most frequently asked grammar rules. Okay, so the benefit of this ebook is that when our SBI clerk prelims exam will be there, then we will have a short notes of grammar and we can revise it in one go. Okay, so we will have the grammar rules at one place and it will be very handy to keep the ebooks. Now the second ebook is on last 5 year syllogism questions. So last 5 year syllogism questions are given, and many aspirants find the syllogism very tricky because they are stuck in some rules of syllogism. So what you can do is download this ebook and try to analyze the level of the syllogism questions which are asked in the real exam. In that way you won't feel demotivated when you solve hard level syllogism questions. Okay, because you will know the level of the exam. So try to solve those syllogism questions because the SBI clerk prelims is also near. So these are the two ebooks which I wanted to tell you. I will give you the link of the ebooks in the description plus in the pinned comment also. And now I will show you how you can download these ebooks because many find it difficult to download. They are not able to find the ebooks. So now I will show you in my screen that how you can download it. Okay, so whenever you will tap on the link which I have provided you, a same interface will be opened before you. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to log in with your email or you can use your mobile number also. So now the section will be opened, and here we can see the ebooks. Now we will move to here, and at the fifth number we can see last 5 year syllogism questions, and at sixth number frequently asked top 20 grammar rules for SBI clerk. Okay, so just tap on the download button and it will start downloading. So I have already downloaded it, so I will show you. Okay, so here it is, it will be downloaded in a very easy manner, and the same you can use for English grammar also. So this is how you download it. Kindly write in comment if you have any query, and I will keep you updated if I found any other study material also which is for free. So thank you for watching this video.